little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something beautiful, a flower in a pot.
Yay!
Are you ready? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker and let's start. Let's start with a big circle in the middle. This will be the center of our flower. Now, let's draw 8 petals all around the circle. Make them big and round so our flower looks full and pretty. Every flower needs a stem. Draw a long stem going down. Now, let's add lots of leaves on both sides. The more leaves, the fresher our flower looks.
La da 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 dee.
Now, let's draw a big pot underneath the flower. This is where our plant lives. Let's make our pot fancy. Add some lines and small circles for decoration. That looks awesome. And we're done with the drawing. But wait, let's make it even better. Let's go over our lines again and make them bold and sharp. This will make our artwork pop. Wow! It looks amazing!
Yay!
Now, let's bring our flower to life with colors. Here are the colors we'll use. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Bottle green color. Blue color. Purple color.
La da 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 dee.
Wow, our flower looks so colorful and beautiful. You did an amazing job today. Give yourself a big high five. Want to draw more cool things? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun drawings. See you next time, little artists. Keep drawing and keep smiling. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.